This Caribbean classic is made up of tender chunks of spicy chicken alongside coconutty rice and peas. Full of flavour and bang on plan. Bish bash bosh. Put 200 grams of basmati rice and 100 ml of reduced fat coconut milk in a saucepan. Add 350 ml of stock and simmer for around 12 minutes or until the coconut water has been absorbed. While that's cooking, add 130 grams of baby corn and 1 red onion to 600 grams of skinless chicken breast. And sprinkle over 4 level teaspoons of jerk seasoning. Cook in a large non-stick frying pan or wok over a medium-high heat for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the chicken is golden and cooked through and the vegetables are lightly charred and tender. When it's nearly ready, char 4 lime halves for 30 seconds. Stir chopped fresh thyme and 400 grams of warm kidney beans through the cooked rice, and serve everything with some fresh salad and the seared limes for squeezing over.